Hi guys, here's a quick tip for when you need to scale down a cutter and embosser set, but you only have a 0.4mm nozzle installed. In this example, I'll be using Bambu Labs, the P1S 0.4 nozzle preset. So our embosser designs are sized pretty carefully. The line work in the embosser itself is about 0.6 millimeters thick, and the chamfer on the cutter itself will give us a 0.4 mil cutting edge. So when we scale this down, say by 50%, we're going to lose a lot of that detail. So I'm not going to change any settings for this preset stuff we've got going on here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just slice the plate and show you what we'll be working with if we didn't do anything. As you can see, we are missing a lot of that detail. And on the cutter itself, we lose that extra height because it simply can't print the detail. So if you had a 0.2 millimeter nozzle installed, you could easily change the preset to the 0.2 mil nozzle, and that would slice fine. So you can see we've got all of our detail in here. We haven't lost any height on the cutter itself, so that would work perfectly. But some people might not have this 0.2 mil nozzle, or you can't be bothered swapping it out. So I have a little trick for you. Come down to the wall generator setting down here. You'll see it's on classic. We want to change that to Arachne. I think that's how it's said. I don't know. I'm not a linguist. Now we'll hit slice again. I haven't changed any of the settings that pop up. And you'll see that it slices perfectly this way. So it's not a guarantee for every design, but if you are sort of stuck and you do need to scale something down, this is super helpful.